better. First, it was dark. Hey guys, there's something that irritates me. Woke. Girl, you woke. You woke. He woke. She woke. Dun 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 dun. Dun. What does that mean anymore? That burns my bacon. You know, it's like anytime I hear somebody say that, I'll be like, no. Sometimes I can take things kind of personal, like it's a personal attack on the spiritual community or something, or a personal attack on people who are really woke and like who work hard to struggle and find out, make sense of all this, and I have an attitude about it. Okay. What is woke then? Hmm. You know, as I've began my journey, I'm really hard on myself. I am a Advent researcher, and when I had probably already awakened, I didn't think I was. For me, it's about like emotional maturity and emotional stability, because that's something that was missing from um, my mother and my father, like the people that I needed the most. The environment failed me as a, a little shorty, you know, and and I felt like as an adult, I felt myself in the same way. So I've like worked really hard, and but woke isn't just having knowledge and a bunch of information. Ooh, okay. Um, because I think that's like that's like one level, like where you feel yourself and gobble 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 information and learn everything you can about what it is you're led to be developing within yourself. Being awake is, first of all, knowing that you're going back. You're going back to being um, wholesome and enlivened and child-hearted. That's what I'm trying to say. You're getting back to that. You're getting back to your true nature. And because a lot of us lost it, we lost that. So you get back to that, and you learn to love and nurture up on that. And it's a process. It's a continuous process. It doesn't happen overnight. And I keep saying it because I'm gathering my thoughts as I think, and I'm trying to stay on task because I go off subject so easy, and then it's hard for me to like remember what I was talking about. And it's not because I smoke weed, because I haven't smoked weed since I left St. Thomas. And I don't smoke no more. If I have weed, it will be taken in tea. That's how I feel about it. Okay. Um, woke, woke. So you go along and you study and you research and you learn and you uncover veils of lies and deceit, and you get angry about it, and hopefully while you're doing that, you also go inward and take a peek and uncover the veils that are within your own psyche, and you handle that. You take responsibility for that, and you become a better person. A better person in that you start becoming aware of your own projections that you put out into the world, and take responsibility for what you're creating. And we all have those things, And that's what I mean by becoming a better person. I mean, we can all be humanitarians and give and love, but sometimes what you're supposed to be doing is being selfish and focused on you. That's what you can do for me, okay? Some of y'all, yeah, you know who you are. Um, and so in doing that, you grow a deeper and deeper appreciation for yourself, and your spirit guides and your guardian angels will lead you down your hero's journey. And then you might open up a secret box and it might have your real name in it, you know. And then you might learn about the other gods and goddesses around you. And it's like this amazing world that we are privileged to be a part of. If when you start to feel better, and not to say there won't be challenges and difficulties and upsets and whatever you call it, but the more awake you get, the more you know that you have the strength to handle it. And that's what going through the hurricanes taught me the most about myself. But legit, I'm still kind of scared to travel again, because like somebody asked me today, so I hate this question right now. When are you going back out there? Are you going back to St. Thomas? Are you gonna live here in Atlanta, or are you gonna go back up? What are you gonna do? Hey, what are you gonna do? I don't know, girl. I don't know. I wanna know. I'm gonna sit here and make these videos. That's what I'm gonna do. It's true though. You're a god and goddess. Okay? But being a god and a goddess is an aspect of nature. We take it kind of like, crown me. I'm a god. I'm a goddess. It's more like, hey, how you doing? I'm Usha's. What's up? It's more like that. Because crown the trees too. Crown the bees. Hey. Crown the horses. Crown everything. Because we are all aspects of nature. You just need to figure out what aspect of nature you are. What function you have. And I participate and mingle with other people who know their avatar. And it's interesting to play. And all the gods and goddesses, aspects of nature, don't get along. And we all have our mythological hero's journey. And the gods and goddesses aren't perfect if you read mythology. Yes, if you read mythology, you are reading the story of us. That's us. It's talking about us. It's talking about every level. It's talking about the human level of the hero's journey, Yeah, you're in there. Exactly. So, I make it so simple, because it's simple once you know. One of my friends, he's not really anybody's friend. He's a scribe, and this is what he do. I call him Yoshi because he like helps people level up. You know what I'm saying? He actually gave me the name to who I already knew I was. I didn't have a name for it. I didn't know I was in mythology. I was like, you know, now I use my story to help me see clearly because it's just like it's me. It's my story. It's the aspect of what that aspect of nature has to go through in order to evolve and um become what it needs to become. It has to go through certain things. And I went through those things and I'm still going through those things. So join me. Hello, adventure. Hello, mate. Nice to meet you. You know, let's do this thing. Let's hop on the pony. What am I doing today? All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I get to meet all the gods and goddesses and aspects of nature. I'm here to help you awaken. That's why I do those tarot readings. I read astrology charts. I have dived deep into those types of things that help people awaken. It's amazing how that works. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll talk to you soon. Talk to Toodaloo. Cheerio.